How to unlink an external bank account from Chase. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can unlink an external bank account from Chase. For this, open up any web browser and head over to chase.com. Now, you want to click on the sign in option. Here, on the sign in portal, enter your username, then enter your password. Once you have entered both of these details, you want to click on the sign in option. Once you're signed in, you will see a section for external account. On its left side is an option for 3 horizontal dots. Click on those dots, then a drop-down list will appear. Click on the settings option. On this page, you will see a list of your external accounts. Now, click on the delete button beside the external account you want to remove. Now, a pop-up message will appear stating what will happen if you remove the selected external account. To continue, you want to click on the delete button. Once that is done, you have successfully unlinked your external bank account from Chase, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.